everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today I'm going to continue my series with bloom pours that I am making skins for wine glasses to put on the bottom of them. So I'm going to walk you through how to do a bloom technique, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how I'm sealing my wine glasses. So I start with my pillow paint, which is Sherwin-Williams Semi-Gloss Ultra White. Then I start adding my colors. And my colors today are Artist Loft Metallic Purple. And this one right here is Artist Loft Metallic Blue. The next one is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And the next color is 24 karat gold, which is the Deco Art. This one is the Arteza Pearl Raspberry Red. It's one of my favorite colors mixing in with gold. And then the last color that I'm using here is by Golden, which is the Interference Gold. It is actually one of my favorite ones I like using. So now I'm going to add my cell activator, which is black, Amsterdam paint, and then my cell activator mix, and I'll make sure I link that here on how to do that. Then you blow down and across the paint, and I'm getting a lot better with blowing as I'm creating all these different bloom skins for my wine glasses. So you blow down in probably the thickest part of the puddle, so across the colors and as it glides across the pillow paint. All right, so each one that you do is going to come out a little different because it's hard to see where you're blowing, so you've got to make sure you're practicing your technique, because then you're going to get better and better and better at it. So now what I'm doing is I'm blowing in the areas where it's really dark, where I push down, and then the force brings like bubbles or cells to the top. So I'm just going to let you just watch this as the cells start to form, and as I'm trying to decide how I want to do my little curlies with my shish kebab skewer. And I really like using the skewer because it adds a dimension in the bloom that you can get in areas where maybe your blow didn't go as well, or a little bit too much white paint, or a little bit too much black in this case, in a couple of areas. So I'm just kind of combining them and taking that and swirling it together, but not blending the colors together, just swirling them so you keep the actual color intact. So a lot of people wonder about my bottom of my glasses, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that and sealing them. It is a challenge, I'm not going to lie. I've tried many different ways to seal it. I have sealed by using resin. I have sealed by using the Mod Podge dishwasher safe. All right, we're going to go ahead and spin this out. And honestly, both of them did not do a really great job in the dishwasher at all. And the Mod Podge actually streaked a little bit, so I put varnish on it, and that is definitely something you don't want to do, is adding varnish in water. It creates bubbles and it doesn't work. So, but I have tested them in hot, oh, this is really pretty, in hot soapy water, and I've tested them by soaking them for longer than 15 minutes. So you can hand wash these no problem whatsoever. So I'm seeing that there's some corners here that I didn't get. I forgot to put my pillow paint all the way to the corners again so it doesn't slide across, but man, this is gorgeous. And I really like how the cells are formed. It almost looks like that stained glass window, doesn't it? Love it. All right, so here's the end result on the tile. Here's a number of them, and there's the results underneath the glass. And I just really love it, so thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!